Holy Prophet said, La tarji'u ba'di kuffara, wa la tarji'u ba'di dullala, yadribu ba'dukum riqaba ba'din. Reported in Sahih Bukhari and Muslim. Holy Prophet said, O people, these are the words, beware, do not return to disbelief, do not return to kufr after me and start chopping one another's necks. So Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has given a very clear instruction, a very clear standard that extremism and terrorism has no place in Islam. Any act of terrorism has no place in the seerah of Prophet Muhammad. Islam is just a religion. Islam is just a religion of compassion. Islam is a religion of moderation. Islam is a religion of high morality. Islam is a religion of caring and serving humanity. Islam is a religion of modernity. And Islam is a religion of rights and freedoms.